is a periodic table. I don't know what the numbers mean. I don't know why some boxes look gay and some are straight. I don't know why some look like that. I don't know what the symbols mean. Well, in this video, I'm gonna try to learn about it with my teammates, which includes Ken, Kono, and Toby. And we're also gonna learn about atoms, which should be fun. Anyways, let's get right into the video.
領域展開
So first of all, what is an element? Because the table is the pattern in the element, so what is it? Everything around us is made of atom. Your body, your desk, the air, water, and even your phone. But atom is incredibly small, and to understand them, scientists develop a system called the periodic table. Atoms are made of three main particles: proton, neutron, and electron. Proton has positive charge and have a mass of 1. Neutron have neutral charge and have a mass of 1. Electron has negative charge and have a mass about 1 over 1836. Proton and neutron are found in the nucleus, which is at the center of an atom. Electrons move around the nucleus in energy level of cell. Because electrons have much less mass than proton and neutron, so if you want to know the mass of an atom, you mainly look at the nucleus. The atomic mass of an atom is the not grounded number in each element square. Now let's move to the one of the most important number in chemistry, the atomic number.
領域展開 領域展開
The atomic number tells you the number of protons in an atom. For example, hydrogen has the atomic number of 1, so it has 1 proton. Same as oxygen, it has 8 proton because it has the atomic number of 8. The mass of proton is extremely important because it tells us which element the atom is. Now let's put it all together. To find the number of protons, look at the atomic number, and because the atom needs to be balanced in charge, the number of protons is also the number of electrons. Now to find the number of neutrons, you take the mass
術式順転 青
minus the atomic.
術式反転赤
You're gonna get the number of neutrons. For example, sodium has the atomic number of 11, mass number of 33, so the number of neutron is 12. So that means sodium has number of proton and number of electron is 11 and the neutron is 12. Now let's move to the layout of the periodic table.
領域展開
The horizontal rows are called the period. There are 7 of them in the periodic table. Elements in the same period have the same number of electron cells, so the rows tell us something about the atom structure. Second is the vertical column are called group. Elements in the same group often have similar chemical properties. This means they often react in similar ways. Why? Because they usually have the same number of outer electrons. Another way the periodic table is organized is by the type of element. Most elements on the left and center of the table are metal. Metal are usually shiny, strong, and good conductor of heat and electricity. Elements on the right side are mostly non-metal. Non-metal are often dull and poor conductor. Between them is a zigzag line. Along this line is the metalloid. Metalloids have properties of both metal and non-metal. And what's about the two rows at the bottom? These are called the lanthanide and the actinide. They are actually part of the main table, but they are placed below to keep the chart from being too wide. The lanthanide include elements often used in technology like screen and magnet and magnet. The actinide include radioactive elements such as uranium. And by the way, here's a fun fact about the table. The scientist Mendeleev, who is often called the father of the periodic table, was trying to organize the element in a logical way. He had been working on this problem for a long time, writing element information and rearrange them again and again, but he kept failing. So, according to a famous story, after thinking about it so much, Mendeleev fell asleep and then saw the pattern in a dream. When he woke up, he quickly wrote it down, and that idea helped him create the periodic table.